The Bureau of Customs inspects 4 warehouses here in Bulacan containing counterfeit products worth billions of pesos. These are known brands in the country, from shampoo to whitening soap and even cigarettes. Representatives of brand owners joined the inspection. They confirmed the products are fake. For instance, fake sachets of shampoos have no tear cut in the packaging. Authorities say the warehouses also serve as manufacturing plants, as there are machines inside the warehouse. There are also raw materials like chemicals. The warehouses also lack necessary government permits to operate. Authorities have yet to identify the owner, and the BOC adds it will issue a warrant of seizure and detention in 15 days.
Parehong machine yung pinagagamitan paggawa ng shampoo. Pareho yung pinagagamitan paggawa ng langis nila, paggawa ng ibang chemical. So, maraming produkto ang nagagawa ng machine. Now we will have to verify. Baka ito ay pwede pa rin sa ibang bagay, no, na pinagbabawal, no, sa ating bansa, no, lalo na yung sa drugs, baka pwede rin to.
Authorities also discovered smuggled goods like Gucci shoes, originally priced at 40,000 pesos. These products will be confiscated and will be brought to the warehouse of the Bureau of Customs. Mai?
Ivy Sonar reporting live from Bulacan.